up, everyone? This is your 3-minute cardio blitz. It's high intensity interval training. We're doing 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off. It's all cardio, all meant to get your heart rate up. Your first move is going to be a cross jack in front. Let's go. Now, the key to this move is to stay light on your feet and keep on breathing. Make sure your arms and your shoulders don't droop. This is ending in 3, 2, 1, and time. Shake it out, 20 seconds off. This is a time to relax, to breathe, but also to think about what you can do better for the second round. Your second round is going to be a knee to elbow hop. So you're bringing your knee to your elbow and crunch. We go right now. Crunch it out. And when I say knee to elbow, I really mean it. Touch that knee to the elbow. And each time you do that, you're crunching in. Crunch, crunch. Very nice. Keep on breathing again. And stop. 20 seconds off again. Shake it out. The heart rate is slowly spiking up. The third move, you're going to combine both of those. So give me a cross jack and 4 knee to elbow. Again, that's 1 cross jack, 4 knee to elbow. Starting now. Go. 4 knee to elbow. There. Cross jack. 4 knee to elbow. You like my song? Cross jack. Knee to elbow. And done. Last move. This is going to be the most intense. You're going to give me a knee to elbow and then drop back into a burpee. Come on up. So for this one, instead of the jump with reach with the burpee, give me a knee to elbow. Starting. Boom, let's go. Cross, cross, drop it, back. Cross, cross, drop it, back. Cross, give me that burpee. Huh. Breathe, breathe, and back. Crunch, crunch, hop it back. Last one, make it good. Woo! And breathe it out. We're at the top of the ladder now. We're gonna come down the ladder, starting with that exact same move again. Knee to elbow, drop back into burpee. Think about using more power this time around. Here we go. Let's do it. Ha, ha, drop it back. More power. Ha, ha, drop it back. Take it back. Cross, cross, take it back. Cross, cross, and it back. Cross, cross, and back. I'm gonna change the music really quick. If you remember, we're going back the ladder. So with this one, you're gonna give me cross jack, knee to elbow, okay? Let's do this. And cross jack, go. 4 knee to elbow. 2, 3, 4, cross jack. 4 knee to elbow. Again. 4 knee to elbow. Let's do it. Coming down that ladder. Ha, ha. Last one and time. Shake it out. We came down the ladder. 2 more moves to go. Your next one is just a cross knee to elbow. This time, give me more speed. As fast as you possibly can for 20 seconds. Let's get it. Go. Ha. Try to keep up with me. Crunch, crunch, yes. Give me that power, give me that speed. This is agility training and coordination training all in one and done. Last move, the very first one we did, simple cross jack. This one, let's focus on speed as well. It's your last move of this whole set, so make it your best. Fast as you can, keep those arms up, keep your biceps engaged. Let's do it. How fast can you go? You know, a little extra challenge. Turn to your right. Forward again. Turn to your left. And forward again. And donezo. Very nice job with this cardio blitz. Come back for more. All my exercises are short and sweet, but right to the point. See you next time.